Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Think Investments, where we bring you the latest market news and investment insights. Today we'll be discussing one of the most prominent figures in the investment world, Cathie Wood. As the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, she has been making waves in the investment community with her bold predictions and innovative approach to investing. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at her recent comments regarding 3 stocks that she believes will make investors millionaires by the end of 2024. So, mark my words, this is going to be an exciting and informative video. Cathie Wood is an American investor who founded ARK Invest in 2014, which is a New York-based investment management firm that specializes in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. She has been in the investment world for over 40 years and has worked for some of the biggest names in the industry, including AllianceBernstein, Jennison Associates, and Tupelo Capital Management. In 2020, Cathie Wood was named the world's best stock picker by Bloomberg News, thanks to her impressive track record of predicting the future of tech stocks. Cathie Wood's predictions have caused quite a stir in the investment world, as she is known for her bold and accurate predictions. Her latest comments regarding Tesla, Square, and Teladoc have caught the attention of investors worldwide, as she believes that these 3 stocks have the potential to make investors millionaires by the end of 2024. With her impressive track record, many investors are taking her predictions seriously and are keeping a close eye on these 3 companies. Cathie Wood has been a longtime supporter of Tesla, and she believes that the company has a bright future ahead. She predicts that Tesla's stock price will reach $7,000 per share by 2024, which would give the company a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. This is based on her belief that Tesla will continue to dominate the electric vehicle market, as well as expand into other areas such as energy storage and autonomous driving technology. Square is a financial services and digital payments company that was founded in 2009. Cathie Wood believes that Square has a huge growth potential, especially in the digital payments market. She predicts that Square's stock price will reach $3,000 per share by 2024, which would give the company a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. This is based on her belief that Square will continue to expand its services to include banking, lending, and other financial services. Teladoc is a virtual healthcare company that provides remote medical consultations and telemedicine services. Cathie Wood believes that Teladoc has a huge growth potential, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. She predicts that Teladoc's stock price will reach $1,500 per share by 2024, which would give the company a market capitalization of over $200 billion. This is based on her belief that Teladoc will continue to expand its services to include mental health, chronic disease management, and other healthcare services. Cathie Wood's predictions are based on her belief that these 3 companies have a huge growth potential and that they are well-positioned to take advantage of the changing market trends. In the case of Tesla, she believes that the company will continue to dominate the electric vehicle market, as well as expand into other areas such as energy storage and autonomous driving technology. In the case of Square, she believes that the company will continue to expand its services to include banking, lending, and other financial services. In the case of Teladoc, she believes that the company will continue to expand its services to include mental health, chronic disease management, and other healthcare services. While Cathie Wood's predictions are certainly exciting, it's important to remember that there are always risks and challenges associated with investing. The stock market is unpredictable, and there is no guarantee that any investment will be successful. It's also important to do your own research and make informed investment decisions based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Cathie Wood's predictions regarding Tesla, Square, and Teladoc are certainly bold, but they are based on her belief that these companies have a huge growth potential and are well-positioned to take advantage of changing market trends. While there are always risks and challenges associated with investing, these 3 stocks are certainly worth keeping an eye on in the coming years. And with the help of acorns, it's never been easier to start investing and growing your wealth. So that's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more market news and investment insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.